Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good at home. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned with Trucks. And I'm meeting you after a long time, guys. So how are you all? Hope you're doing good. And today's session is again about coronavirus, and I'm going to share something very interesting with you guys today. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and ask your friends, your family, everyone to subscribe it. And you can also comment if you want any improvements in my videos. So coming to today's session, and I'm going to share about magnificent research done by a set of scientists. And what they've done is they've found that tea plant chemicals, they are found to be effective against coronavirus. And they have done some screening to find out those compounds which are really effective against this virus, and it is depleting its replication basically. And they have also disclosed the mechanism that how they are depleting this virus out. So they have used the computer based screening model, and they have isolated 65 biochemical compounds, and out of those they have found 3 to be very effective in blocking the activity of coronavirus. And they have also disclosed the mechanism that how these tea plant chemicals, they are effective in blocking the replication of the virus. So I want to tell you that this virus is having a protein called 3D polymerase, or RNA dependent RNA polymerase, which is actually the key protein or the key enzyme responsible for the replication of the virus. And these are very important targets if we are designing any antiviral models or something. So this is the effective target that they have found, that it binds to those tea plant chemicals, and after binding it, this is responsible for blocking this RNA dependent RNA polymerase. If this main polymerase would not be there, the virus will be unable to replicate further, and the viral activity would be stopped. So this is the mechanism that they have disclosed. Apart from it, they have also found that 3 biochemical compounds are actually very effective in blocking the activity. And number 1 was oolong homobisflavin A, and number 2 was thiacyanensin D, and number 3 was thiaflavin 3O gallate. So these are the 3 important compounds from tea plant that they found to be effective and binding to the viral protein, and there how it is responsible for depleting, or you can say blocking, the activity of coronavirus. Beyond that, they have out of these 3, they have found that oolong homobisflavin A was the most effective, and it is responsible for having a strongest bond with the viral protein, and it is that how responsible for blocking the viral activity. Also they have found that these are very efficient in terms of, if we compare them with the anti-HIV drugs, as I have disclosed that some anti-HIV drugs, they are found to be responsible for depleting this virus. And they have found that these are more efficient against the coronavirus. So this is a small research that I want to discuss with you guys about the tea plant biochemicals. Hope you like this video, and this is it. So hope you got some knowledge from it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and get some more videos, some interesting one. And if you want some other content that I want to share to you all, then you can also give in the comment box. So good luck, V for victory and V for virus. Bye.